Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into an angel using Pipet AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the Pipet AI website. Then you're going to sign in with your Google account and you will have free credits. And then just go to the home menu, select image and upload your image here. I'm going to pick a random photo from my computer, for example this one, and you can add this prompt. And I'm going to send the prompt and also the photo to the AI. Okay, and hold on. Okay guys, and these are the results, and I'm going to choose one of them. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, then we can click on download and choose without Pipet watermark to remove the watermark and download. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn your photo into an angel using Pipet AI. If you want to try it yourself, I have already put the join link on my YouTube description, so you can go to my YouTube description to join Pipet AI. Okay, thank you so much for watching and bye.